Dear friends, today's topic is Google search tips and tricks. Let us go to Google search page. So in this video, I will explain you various tips and tricks of Google search. We can use Google search effectively. I am searching for solar technology. If I search in Google like this and I want to download a PDF text, right? You have to go on searching and it is leading to different sites, websites, links, everything. Even if you go further and further also, you cannot able to search particular PDF that you want, or Word, or whatever it is, right? I am searching for a book, so I am searching solar technology books. See, but when you search like this, it will lead to the online book purchase. See here, right side, you could find 303 rupees, everything in Amazon, Flipkart, like this. It is telling for different it is leading to the site where you can purchase books, but my intention is only to download particular textbook. So in order to do that, what you have to do is type that particular textbook that you want, then you mention like this, file type, :, then PDF or Word or PPT, whatever you want, just type it. Then just scroll it down, move it down. You could find, see here, PDF, all PDF, right? This is a streamlined search. So I want the book in PDF, so I am giving the file type, :, PDF, right? See here, I am just downloading that file. Yes, it has downloaded. It has 48 pages. Again coming back, you can go for next option if you want. Yes, I'm just clicking onto it. Consists of 12 pages. So in this type of streamlined search, you are getting the PDF document that you want. You can also search for Word, you can also search for PPT or Excel, whatever it is. And I'm just clicking onto it. So this is an article you are getting in PDF. You can also get in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, or any document that you select. Now I am selecting for another book, Mein Kampf. It is a book written by Adolf Hitler. So let me search for this book. If you search without that, file type is to PDF. Let us see what happens. So it is leading to books, online books purchase. But my intention is not to purchase any textbook online. See here, so many books available for purchase. So my intention is to download a particular book. So type file type, : PDF. Okay, I want in PDF, so I am giving PDF. Then search. Now you can easily download book. Just wait, scroll it up. Just click onto it. I am opening it in new tab. Just wait for the download. It may consist of more MB. I think this PDF has more number of pages. That is the reason it is taking time to download. Let us wait for the download to be completed. Once you streamline the search, you can easily find out what you need. See here, it is instead of 23 pages. Okay, it's a scanned book actually. Consists of 23 pages. I'm just moving back, closing up. I'm going to the next option. Okay, click onto that. See here, I got 557 pages textbooks. Same book which I want. See, the way you use Google search plays a very important role in what the output that you get. You can search it like this. See here, you could find 557 pages textbook. You can download. You can also save it. Coming back, let us see another technique. The next technique in Google search. Just go to Google page, type what you need to search. I'm just typing how to become rich. Just click enter. Right, so it is displaying like this. The Google search is displaying like this. How to become rich. There are various websites, links, everything is there available. But I want the how to become rich to be online. So just put plus, then enter online. So using online business or whatever it is, I want to become rich. So if you add plus and then the particular keyword, it will look for how to become rich online. See here, everywhere it is how to become rich online. So it is a streamlined search. Then how to become rich plus India, that is how to become rich in India. So 5 ways to become rich in India. Right, how to become rich. Mostly related to 5 simple steps to become rich in India. Right, so India specific, how to become rich. Then how to become rich using YouTube. So type plus YouTube. Just scroll it down. So how to become rich? Using YouTube. So that details you will get as an output. How to become a YouTube millionaire, how to get rich on YouTube, top 25 YouTube millionaires. So all this. So this is a streamlined search. Okay. You can search like this. Best laptop, you can search, right? If you want Apple, you can have best laptop Apple, streamlined search. Then best air conditioner, right? In general you will get all the air conditioners in the Google search. Now I want plus Daikin. So that means only the Daikin air conditioner will be the output in the Google search. See here, Daikin India, top 5 Daikin AC, all are related to Daikin AC. Daikin, Daikin, Daikin. Daikin. So next technique. Another technique in Google search. I am searching for a job in Google search. You will get different types of jobs. One, project associate, accounting manager, process transformation, etc., etc. You will get different jobs, right? But if I want to streamline the particular job, what you have to do is, after jobs, give space, put in double quote what you want, design engineer, double quote close, then search. If you do this, you will get design engineer only, streamlined design engineer. See here, mold design engineer, mechanical design engineer, design interior design engineer jobs, all design, mechanical design engineer jobs, right? So it is a streamlined search in Google. Similarly, any other, just put after jobs, just put it as principal, right? Put it in within double colon, double quote, then search. If you do this, all principal related thing, it will come into the picture, into the Google output search. School principal jobs, school principals jobs, all principal jobs, right? So similarly, you can type teaching jobs, spacing teaching in double quote. See here, only the teaching ad will be displayed. Teaching jobs, teaching jobs, school teaching jobs. Okay. Then let us go to the next technique in Google search. Suppose you want to search in the particular site, then type site double colon, then the particular site. See, this is displaying only the particular site, that is the hindu.com. Then in this, if I want to search something, that is the latest election news, in such cases, in the website the hindu.com, I could find the particular specific search for assembly elections 2021, that is latest assembly elections. See here, latest assembly elections. Okay. So only the assembly, the latest election news, you can easily streamline the search in the particular website. Now technology. Particular site of hindu.com. See here, tech news in Hindu, science and tech news in Hindu, science news in Hindu, tech news in Hindu, latest technology in Hindu, latest science and technology in Hindu. Right? So you will get a streamlined search in a particular site. You can also change the site. After site, double colon, you can just type another site. Type the Times of India, okay, .com. Then you put technology. See here, in Times of India, what are the technology news? See here, technology news, tech blogs. Right. So first you have to put site is to, then the particular site. Okay. Then another technology, another technique, another tricks in Google search. Let us see. See, we can easily use it as a calculator. I am giving us 20 into 20, so it is 400. Okay, just wait, let me do it like this. 20 into 20. See here, output is 400. You can easily use Google search as a calculator. Right. See here, 100 into 10. Then you have to press enter. See here, 1000. No need to go to a calculator application and do it. You can easily use calculator in Google search itself. 100 minus 100. Then press enter, equal to 0. Google itself acts as a calculator. Google search itself act as a calculator. Then you see 1 feet equal to inches. Press enter. It will display the output. 1 feet equal to 12 inches. Okay. Similarly, $1 equal to INR. Press enter. It is 73.6 rupee. As on yesterday, that is 26th February, what is the rate? It is calculating that rate. Right. So 1 kilometer equal to how many meters? Equal to m. Just type it. You will get 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay. So Google itself acts as a calculator, either as a basic calculator or an advanced calculator. See here, 2 divided by 1. So 2. So it's another type of using calculator. See, 6 by 2, 3. Right? Any calculation you can do in Google search. Okay. So these are the various techniques, these are the various tips and tricks that are available in Google search. Try to utilize this Google search effectively, right, and efficiently, right. So thank you friends, hope you understood how to use Google search effectively. Thank you so much.